another video. Hey! Today, we're gonna do some You Laugh, YOLO's Animal Edition. So, try not to laugh, Bo. Before we start, now last video, again, I told you to comment. Let's see if anybody commented. I got literally no hope for this. Let's just see if you commented. Wow, 23 views. Watch my videos, please. And subscribe if you're not subscribed right now, please. Oh, if there is a comment, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh, there's a comment. No. My man, Logan. I feel like this is some kind of bot. Something tells me this man is a little bit suspicious. Wait. This man, his first video got 83k views. What, bro? I wish I could be like that. Anyways, thank you, Logan, for commenting. Thank you. And there it is, Logan, you have my shout out. You're probably like 20 years older than me or 30, I don't know. But here's your shout out. Thank you, Logan, for commenting. Wait, what was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. Let's get into the memes. This time, I'm actually gonna play it correctly. If I win this challenge, you have to give me an Xbox. All of you watching it. I'm just kidding. No, don't click away. I'm sorry. Anyways, let's get into the video. Booyah. Snoring dormouse. What the flippin' is a dormouse? What? Cool. This sheep escaped the farm and spent 6 years in the mountains, during which time he grew 60 pounds of wool. Wolves tried to eat him, but their teeth could not penetrate their fluff. You don't have to turn hard to survive the wolves. Just be really, really stuffed and fluffy. Look at this dude, he's like, what am I looking at? The little monkey says to Mom, if you don't hug me, I won't calm down. Oh, we might have some controversy right here. What am I saying?
哎呀，爬这个，哎呀，爬那了吗？我怕他乱跑，他俩打架，为了桃儿绑他们，没有桃下去，我不抱着，都给他下去。他俩打架，为了桃儿绑他们，没有桃。
A minute of your time. Enjoy it if you're a pet lover, cats and dogs. And the funniest situation, just try not to laugh. Click here. Gay bros. What? Now, this is a total masterpiece. This is the kind of content I want. Look at this dude. Euchardemus. You are a true memer. No, I did not laugh. It made me not ha ha. It just made me ha ha. Why is there a cat in the nest? What is this? Brave cats against dogs. Fearless cats. First dogs. Fights. Now this is intense. Oh, 15 minutes. A lot of...
3, 2, 1.
Oh no. Oh! Oh! I love how dramatic they made it. You want some? Oh.
Fight!
Oh! Oh! Yo! What?
Finish him! Flawless victory.
Whoa! Finish him! Flawless victory. I love how dramatic they did it. And then just the woman filming it just laughs. What is this? Oh! 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 I can't laugh like this. Way too good. But you can't hit him with the leg. Oh my god. Oh, don't. I'm not trying to laugh. I'm just trying to continue. What did I just... You just phased out of... Oh! 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 Oh no! No! Oh! Scary. Oh! What's up? What's up? Find this position. He scratches. Oh, babe, what you doing? I don't care. I'm gonna kill him. Ah, double team. Hey, that's not fair. Ah, let's get it, boys. Oh! Oh my god. Slow motion. Duck. My god, this is so intense. Oh! What's up, Bob? What's up, JoelPigeon? Now, this meat is my personal favorite animal. It's just so funny. I'm pretty sure you cannot go without laughing. What? What did I just... Let's see. Don't woof.
Oh no, don't woof.
That might have been the most literal woof I've heard of all time. Guys, that meme was so good. I'm gonna leave a like on this video. Like you should on my video. It's really easy. All you have to do is gently click the like button. Okay, bros. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash like, subscribe. Please leave a comment on this video, or else I'll woof on your face. Oh! Smash like, subscribe. See you on the next video. Please comment. Please comment.